Hello and welcome back. Our chatbot is now intelligent thanks to the agentic framework that we have added in the previous video. If you haven't watched, please remember to watch it. But it has a limitation. Its knowledge is frozen in time based on when its model was trained. To make it truly powerful, we need to give it access to live internet. Remember, you add this only if your chatbot needs this feature. But let's see how to do it. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several Make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. In this lesson, we will do exactly that. We are going to give our agent the ability to search the web, making it smarter and more capable than ever before. Let's get to it. We will only be looking at the changes so that we can keep the video short and to the point. Remember, the code is accessible to you and the link is in the description. So here we have the backend, and in the app folder we have the main script, which is main.py. So let's come to the addition. This is where we are importing the tool DuckDuckGo tools. Now this DuckDuckGo tools will allow us to access the web to get the up-to-date information. Where do we use it? If you scroll down, where we define the agent, see here, we have added the new line, tools equal to DuckDuckGo tools. And the agentic framework is what is allowing us to access these tools. Without agent, we would have had to code this manually. This agentic framework makes it very, very easy to add tools. There can be multiple tools. If you have a booking tool, you can add it here, which we have covered in one of our previous videos, but subsequent videos we will cover those items also in this modern agentic chatbot. Let's see this in action. So Docker compose up from the folder, and the folder should be this, where you have the backend, front-end folders and docker compose.yaml file. Remember, we have the hidden .env as well. We should have the API keys. So docker compose up. Okay, application is started. Let's visit the browser and refresh the page. Can you search the web and find me top 3 sofa models? Let's see what it does. Okay, see here, drifting wood, wooden sofa set from Hokibo, sofa sets on Amazon. So this is from the web. This is not in our local. We haven't added anything related to this in our AI chatbot. But in the next video, we will see how to add our own custom knowledge into our chatbot. Our chatbot is no longer confined to its initial training data. It can now access the vast live database of the internet to answer a much wider range of questions. By simply adding a pre-built tool to our agent, we have dramatically increased its power and utility. In our next session, we will explore another powerful feature, giving our chatbot a long-term memory using a vector database. See you there. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code Make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.